Hello guys and welcome to my channel. Today, I will show you how to sell your print-on-demand products on eBay, by integrating your account with Printify. Printify is a website that is similar to Printful, as they both work the same way. The way Printify's integration with eBay works, is that after you create a product on Printify, and publish it to your eBay store, once you receive an order on eBay, Printify will automatically fulfill that order on your behalf, which means that you will only pay once after you receive an order. I will show you how easy it is to create a product on Printify, and how easy it is to then list that item on eBay, and as a bonus, if you watch the whole video, I will show you a cool trick you can use to quickly create print-on-demand designs to sell, without actually designing anything. I will leave the link to all the websites in the description box below. First things first, you need to create an account on Printify. After you create an account, you will need to enter a store name, and add your personal information. After you do that, you need to link your eBay account to Printify. You can do that by clicking on My Store, and on Not Connected, and choose eBay. Once you finish linking your account, you can then design your first product that you wish to sell on your eBay account. To start designing, you will need to choose which product you want to sell. For example, you can either choose to create a design for a t-shirt, or create one for a mug. I recommend you to choose which product to create a design for, by researching which products sell most on eBay. If you want to know a little trick that will help you find the best sold items on eBay, I already made a video showing you how to do it by using a free research tool. After you chose your product type, you should choose which provider you like. You will notice that some products have different print providers, while others have only one. Keep in mind that what you need to look out for when choosing print providers are item costs and shipping rates. These two parameters will help you a lot while making your choice. Once you are ready to design, you have to click on Add Your Design, and a new menu will appear where you can either add text, choose a design from your device, or add a design that you have on Dropbox. The cool thing, however, is that you can add any design you want from Shutterstock for free, and only pay a small amount for the image, after you sell your product. This is cool because it will allow you to instantly create designs, and have print-ready products. And the fact that you only pay a small fee when you sell your products, is really nice. After you finish designing your product, you can edit the listing of your product. You can choose which mockups to use. You can also change the title and description of the product. And you can also choose which variants you want to offer, and their respective prices. After you finish setting up your listing, you can then press the Publish button, and it will be automatically published to your eBay store. This was a quick tutorial showing you how you can use Printify to sell your print-on-demand products on eBay. If you found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like, and subscribe for any future videos like this. Thanks for watching.